That is a pretty interesting adventure. When Luciano got the ZX7R, he got an engine from Texas and they shipped it up to a truck depot near my house. Now, when we went down to the truck depot, it was not just, hi, where's my motor? It was a little more involved. You had to speak foreign languages, and it was pretty much fun anyway. And the guy finally, we finally got him to take the motor out. The thing was heavy, and put it in Luciano's truck, of course. And every step of the way, this was not a predictable adventure. But this whole bike, now this is the day we got it, and this was quite an adventure just picking it up. We've posted that adventure on video, but this adventure is a little more involved. There was some parts to paint. There was the Chinese bodywork. When you have Chinese bodywork, you have to paint the tank to match. And a bunch of other little detail things that Luciano seemed to work out, that he was able to get the parts he needed. The headlights, among other things, and the exhaust system. And when this bike, I would go up maybe once a week and just visit him and see how the progress was coming up. And when he finally got the Chinese bodywork on, he had the new motor installed and still had some other little details to take care of, but I was amazed how the Chinese bodywork worked out so well. And of course, at the end of this story, at the end of, when he finishes this and we're all done with it, I'm going to get a ride on it, and I'll let you know how I like it. But anyway, we took a ride to where Luciano had his unfortunate accident, picked up some more parts of the bike, but this was the day we picked up the motor. To the place, apparently we're on the terrorist watch list. So this is pretty cool. Nobody answers the phone, nobody opens the gate. Luciano's gonna have to go in and, I don't know, give him a John Gotti here. You gotta know these are all union truckers or something here too. Okay, the sign says Monday to Friday, 9 to 6. And on the Ferrari watch, we're an hour and a half early. But I don't know what we gotta do. Luciano's in there. I hear him cursing in Italian. You can't make this up. I hear him talking to the guy, and the guy that's supposed to open the gate, who isn't here, said to Luciano, I just bought a GSXR. Oh, maybe we can rob this place while we're here. What's the story?
He's gonna open the gate.
He's gonna open the gate, yeah.
After you check my fingerprints and my footprints in a clear underwear.
Did you tell him you have a gun? That gets the gate open in a hurry. Holy Christ, I'll tell you, it's great being in the mafia. Organized crime is so good. Look at this, you just tell them you know Luciano and they open the door to the Kawasaki factory. Oh.
We gotta go in the back.
Come on baby, let's go get that Kawasaki engine. Everything you do with Luciano is an adventure, it's never easy. The secret location where they deal, look at that, hey, your engine's in the dumpster, look at that, somebody put it in a dumpster. They must have thought it was junk.
Oh, there's a ramp.
Oh my God, hey, baby, that's your engine. There it is, baby. Wow, you get a free rug. Hey, I could use one of those rugs in my garage.
Free rug.
You get free rugs when you buy a Kawasaki engine. So basically, Luciano and I are in this abandoned warehouse full of stuff with a 750 Kawasaki engine sitting here. They're at the Kawasaki factory where all things are possible. This really turned into an adventure, unbelievable. But we got the motor. There's the baby. So this is actually part 2 of this 750 restoration. Everything Luciano and I ever do turns into an adventure. It's unbelievable. How great is this? Was that a good adventure or what? Okay,
Sure
take me for dinner. I need a steak dinner now.
Oh my God, the frame is painted.
Yeah, Morgan, eat your heart out, baby. He's ahead of you. He passed you in a corner.
But
Wow,
remember
nice.
this part here? The guy got rid of the fender.
Yeah,
Was
yeah,
totally
yeah.
empty.
Right.
So I found this. So
Okay.
it looks like a brand new from eBay for 40 bucks.
Wow.
It's a competition.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Is has a tail. The thing for license plate.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Well, you're gonna be happy with this puppy, baby.
Yeah, it's a brand new
Beautiful.
tire. The tire is supposed to go on a Ducati,
Those are your track. You're going to track day Sunday, right?
Sunday, yeah.
Sunday, okay.
The tires went together, look pretty good. I said, okay, well, let me put the tires in there.
This came out nice.
Yeah.
That came out nice. Maybe after I ride it, I'll want to buy one.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll buy this one.
It's heavy, I tell you.
It's heavy?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's about 500 pounds.
Yeah.
I remember I used to have one. It was a bear.
It looks pretty nice to me. Hey, Sophia's a bear. You get used to having a big bear underneath you.
Yeah.
This is the guy I like. Oh my God. Hey, you know, Chris's bike fell off the kickstand. I got to do some.
Told me. Time
Yeah, I got to do it. Chris, just be careful. We got to straighten out for her. Oh, yeah. And Charlie dropped the little Ducati at the Perry's. It fell over and he broke the blinkers and everything.
Oh, God.
We're all screwed up, man.
What's happening with the people?
Yeah, we're getting old. Ay. Oh, where's Morgan when you need him? Oh, my God.
Look here. Let me get to the seat.
Oh, this is the seat. You did a job on it?
I did a boat because the
Oh,
boat.
okay.
They were both
Yeah,
wrecked.
nice. Yeah, well, this is the Joanne Fabric stuff, right?
Yeah.
You cheap bastard, you're worse than me.
It's already painted. Everything.
Yeah,
Those
yeah,
are
yeah.
painted. I spent so much
Yeah.
time doing the whole thing.
Yeah, that really looks nice.
They will have the fuel.
Oh, okay. Everything works, though.
Well, everything works. The only problem is that I don't get it when I get turn the cigarette on.
You got the oil pressure
The
light?
thing that doesn't light up. The
Maybe there's
breaker.
no bulb in there.
No. I connect the wire to the ground.
it works?
To the ground, it works.
Okay.
So something's wrong with the ground wire.
Now, this is the China Bodywork?
Yep.
Oh, this is nice stuff.
It's beautiful.
Wow. This is nicer than the stuff Vlad has.
Yeah.
Vlad's stuff was a little rough around the edges. This looks beautiful.
Paint
How come we can't get this? Can you get this for modern bikes too, or just these old ones?
I don't know. For tires.
This is China Bodywork here too, right?
Yeah,
Because I painted the tank.
You have to paint the gas tank.
Yeah, I don't give it. We paint the gas tank in one day. That's
That's
it.
why I have to paint the gas tank too.
And that's aftermarket
The
then? I don't remember.
body parts are from China.
Okay. This is the one I like. Yeah. Oh, you got it all cleaned
That's
up even.
why you're not gonna get it.
No, you ain't gonna live forever. What do you think? You're Moses? You're gonna live forever? This bike is gonna be mine when I would have put in your will. You put in your will. Now you could have the Ducati. Let's see who could get the Ducati. You give that to somebody. You give it to Jose or somebody.
Oh, this is all clean for the truck day.
You ready for track day there?
Yeah, I
You got
got
the
it.
tires on it and everything?
No.
Oh, you got the camera. Okay, good.
Yeah.
Okay. That's nice.
I got extra gas there. I got just check the tire pressure. I'm ready to go.
You're ready to go.
Yeah.
So you'll have some footage for me. Now, what you could do if you want, take the card out of the camera, put it onto your computer,
Thank you to you.
and give me the card before you record anything else. Then I could edit it down, make you look better than you are. You know,
You know what
make you look younger.
You see what they did?
Yeah, if that comes off, boy,
I had two 3M pads coming off.
they all come off. They're shit.
No, the camera was attached. After a couple of days, I found the camera on the ground.
Yep. No, I know. They come off your helmet, and that guy behind you is eating your camera.
Yeah.
When he got his little camera, this thing came off, I know. Of course, he gave me the chip, and I saw the camera. Then I put one on my helmet, and it fell off.
Mm-hmm.
You know, it doesn't fall off right away. It takes a couple days.
Yeah.
But that glue, the 3M glue is good for a couple of days, and maybe more, I don't know. Maybe you have to change it. But if this is okay, the way this is, but I would be afraid this is going to come down and scratch
Actually,
the
I
bike.
got a couple. One Suzuki and one Zx7R.
It's really good. Your son Gabriel made it. It has your name, of course. Motorcycle service.
The triple.
And-
Sounds like a triple.
Wow, I want that one when you die too. I want the two Kawasaki.
It's amazing. He does.
Yeah, that's
He likes to
beautiful.
work with the wood.
Yeah, that's very
all
nice.
the burning there.
Yeah, that's really nice.
Yeah. Look at the exhaust.
That's going to really look nice. Yeah, I didn't even see the exhaust. This an extra one you had?
No, this is the one I got in bed. The other one, the original
eBay.
one, it was all gutted.
Ooh, that's nice. All chrome. You're almost as cool as I
They
am now.
punched the shit out of the exhaust. It probably wasn't making so much noise. It's
Yeah,
so,
he gutted it. I
it's
know.
so heavy, unbelievable.
Yeah. What the cards came
the
out.
battery, I got this battery here. I paid $30. Usually, I got both
Cal trick? I never heard of
Caltech.
it.
I got the batteries, the same brand on my ZX10 and that one too. They work out fine. This one came completely dead.
Oh, and they gave you another one? No problem?
Yeah. I said, don't worry about it to send it out.
Yeah.
We don't want it.
I love this color green. Ooh,
Yeah.
that's nice. That reminds me of the old H1Rs. Ooh, that's nice.
Yeah. I spent so
Oh,
much.
yeah.
The clutch wasn't working when I got the bike. Ignition switch is brand new. And,
Oh, I bet Morgan's gonna want to take a ride on this, boy. Mark, save your money, baby.
I'm waiting for the fuel line. It's a 3.8. It's freaking huge.
Wow.
3.8.
Why is it so
goes
big?
from a fuel pump to fuel line from a carburetor, 1 or 2.
Wow.
And then there's a wide joint. It goes to
Oh.
the fuel pump.
I got you, right.
That part has a 3.8
Yeah,
fuel line. Nobody has.
Wow.
I have to order a line.
Shining. Now, what is this for?
It does. You spray on
You put on the rubber parts?
or the black parts here.
Oh, the black. Okay.
You
Yeah,
spray
yeah,
and then you wipe it off. It leaves a shine unbelievable.
yeah. Wow.
I got this.
Nice.
I don't think it was a Christmas present from my kids.
Motul.
Motul. Yeah, it's
Yeah, the
great.
Circle Cycle has that stuff.
Yeah.
You can put it on paint too, or just.
No, this is supposed
this
to
like
be,
this
it's
fake
supposed to
black.
be for the plastic.
Okay, yeah.
See, it renovates plastic.
Yeah, yeah.
Brilliancy.
Yeah.
Shines.
Well, when you're trying to restore something, that's.
yeah.
No, I don't think you should put this on hand grips or anything because it's going to be
No.
slippery. But we don't put it on your brake. On
You
your,
don't put it on your tires.
don't let the baby wax your bike with that.
Just the plastic stuff like a gauges.
Yeah.
Right switches.
Yeah.
whatever.
Yeah, for this, like this would make it
Yeah,
look nice
yeah,
and
yeah,
new. Oh, beautiful.
Oh, the hoses.
Yeah, the hoses, right? I saw you did this
Yeah.
down.
See that one?
Yeah, you did this as an old piece of shit hose. That looks pretty nice.
It's not. It's a piece of shit. It was a piece of shit.
It was a piece of shit. You got to understand the English language. It was a piece of shit. Oh, this is going to be a fun bike. I'm jealous of Ray. I need a new bike. I got to take Karen up on her offer to
You
get me a
don't
new
need
bike. When we bought the bike, it was this color. When I went, it was red.
Yeah, but this one's original color.
Oh, okay.
The one side.
Did you send that kid that sold us the bike? I sold you the bike, not me.
Yeah.
Send him these pictures. He'll be impressed.
Yeah. Sure.
Good Ducati motor?
Yeah.
This the one from the guy, or this is the one that came with the
No,
bike?
that's the one I gotta end up buying the cases.
Oh.
The cases. It was already assembled without the top end.
Okay, right.
So I need to transfer the parts.
Right.
And I got some missing parts like the cover and all this stuff.
You need
For the
more. You
Honda.
need more stuff.
See the cylinders are already done for the Honda.
You know, if you don't stay busy, you'll get old ahead of time.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, it is nice. Wow, that looks beautiful.
It's nice, huh?
Yeah, comes with the headlights, or you got to put your headlights in.
My headlights.
Oh, that's going to look. See, this is what I always like about my year R1 is those big scoops in the front. Oh man, that's nice.
Yeah.
That is nice. Oh, check this out.
It's
Wow.
nice painty design, right?
That's perfect.
See, it's
You don't even need me if you buy stuff like this.
It's like they faded the black. And
Yeah,
then
they
the
faded
brown.
in. I know. Yeah. I see what they did. Yeah, that's good. So it's cool.
I found some problem with this.
Did they put clear on top of this, or
Oh,
is
yeah,
this?
it's clear.
And
Yeah.
then they clear coat everything.
Yeah, the problem is one of the brackets, what do you call it, the tabs, was way off. I have to cut it, reposition it. Otherwise, it would align you with the holes.
Yeah, buddy. Even if you get any aftermarket shit, it never lines
Yeah.
up.
So
That is definitely cool. Wow. All right, let's go wear out the radar detector.
take it easy. Be safe.
Yep. I got it. Still got some time to play. Now, every step of this bike, right from picking up that motor and all of the trips I made up there, all the paint work, I was very impressed with the Chinese bodywork more than anything else. That really worked out well for Luciano. And I know eventually he got an extra tank, and we repainted the extra tank. That's out on the channel. But the bodywork is such a big thing, because to do all of the bodywork that came with the bike was really in rough shape. There would have been 100 hours of Bondo and CA and everything. But the way this worked out, and I'm not sure the bodywork was between $400 and $500 if I remember right. But boy, did it save us a lot of work. And boy, the first time I got to ride this bike, I was really impressed. This bike is truly, truly a keeper. And thanks so much for watching.